Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming a few essentials so the feature runs smoothly. Make sure Google Maps is updated, your Android has location and internet on, and you're signed into your Google account. Once done, open Maps and search the address or place name you want to view. This gets you to the exact pin quickly. Tap the place card or hold a map point to drop a pin, then look for the Street View thumbnail. This is the first button that takes you into the panoramic view. Once you open Street View, learn the controls so navigation becomes natural. Tap the thumbnail or select Street View on the place card. The image loads as a 360 panorama. Drag your finger to pan, swipe left or right to rotate, and pinch to zoom for detail. To move along the road, tap the white arrows on the pavement or drag the blue person icon onto a nearby street. Make sure to check the timestamp on the image. To finish, use the back button to exit Street View and return to map directions. Long pressing a point drops a pin for navigation. If imagery is old or incorrect, tap the three dots and choose Report a Problem or view the place's timeline to compare dates. If Street View fails to load, clear the Maps app cache, restart your phone, and reinstall if necessary. This fixes most corrupt data issues. Finally, make sure app permissions, camera, and storage are allowed so interactive features work correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.